Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Uber Eats not working. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, try to force close and reopen your Uber Eats application. If that still doesn't work, you want to simply go ahead and ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, or you could also turn on your airplane mode for 5-10 seconds and turn it off just to give it that quick refresh. Now, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store, click on the profile icon, head to personalized recommendations and click on clear app usage data. What this will do is it will clear the app usage data stored on this device. That helps personalize your app store experience and also your application experience. And now the final thing you want to go ahead and try to do is simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the application and restart your phone. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.